Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Liquid Bounce. First, you'll want to download the Liquid Launcher from the official website, selecting your operating system. Follow the simple installation wizard to get it set up. Once installed, launch the client and let it download any required game files. After this quick setup, you can easily open the main menu, known as the Click GUI, by pressing the right Shift key on your keyboard. This is your gateway to all the client's powerful features. Liquid Bounce offers a wide array of modules, which are essentially powerful utilities designed to enhance your gameplay. These modules are neatly organized into categories such as combat, movement, player, and render, making them easy to find. To activate a module, simply click on its name in the Click GUI. For even faster access, you can bind any module to a specific key by typing bind followed by the module's name and your chosen key into the in-game chat. One of Liquid Bounce's strengths is its extensive customization. Each module comes with various settings, allowing you to precisely adjust its behavior to suit your playstyle. You can save your customized configurations locally, making it easy to switch between different setups. The Auto Config module can even load specific settings automatically when you join certain servers. Furthermore, a built-in HUD editor lets you personalize the on-screen display, showing only the information you need, exactly where you want it. While Liquid Bounce is a powerful tool, it's important to use it wisely. The client is open source and widely regarded as safe from viruses or other harmful software. However, using it on many public multiplayer servers can result in your account being banned, so proceed with caution. The development team actively maintains Liquid Bounce, so keeping it updated ensures you benefit from the newest features and any security enhancements. Always prioritize understanding server rules and using the client's features responsibly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.